Part 1. Number 1. A. She is doing the dishes. B. She is cleaning the kitchen corner. C. She is preparing a dish for her family. D. She is looking out the window. Number 2. A. He's locking bicycle against the fence. B. He's putting away guitar in case. C. He's playing a musical instrument. D. He's walking along the river. Part 2. 11. What time is your job interview? A. Yes, it's a great job. B. At the library. C. It's a great watch. 12. Is there a gas station near here? A. Roughly an hour ago. B. Sure, there's one on the corner. C. I didn't live in here. 13. When will the next bus arrive? A. At the bus station. B. To the library. C. In 10 minutes. 14. Why is John late? A. With Susan. B. He's stuck in a meeting. C. At 5 o'clock. 15. Do you know where Lassie puts the photo? A. I know it too. B. The theory report. C. It should be in the cabinet.